Is the Apple iPad Air 2026 M4 the ultimate tablet you need for 2025? Get ready to discover why this newly updated device is a game changer. Apple has delivered a truly astonishing upgrade, packing the powerful M4 chip into the iPad Air 2026 model without a single price increase, making it an exceptional value starting at just $599. This isn't just an upgrade. It's a revolution for anyone looking for the best tablet experience in 2025 and beyond. Perfect for streaming, reading, or even tackling demanding creative projects, the iPad Air M4 flawlessly bridges the gap between a high-end tablet and a capable laptop, especially when paired with the new Magic Keyboard or Apple Pencil Pro. Its stunning high-definition display and smooth app performance will captivate you, and with an impressive 12 gigabytes of RAM, it's now an incredible gaming machine and a powerhouse for designers. Forget expensive MacBooks. This iPad Air gives you everything you desire in a portable, touch-enabled device for a fraction of the cost. Don't miss out on securing your own game-changing tablet. Find the direct purchase links in the description below to grab this incredible value for your 2025 tech setup.